Hi! In front of me is OPPO A1 and today I would like to show you how you can remove Google search bar from home screen on this OPPO. First of all, you can hold your search bar and tap on Remove widget below it. Then click on Remove widget in the pop-up to confirm your choice. You can also just hold your home screen and click on this red dot at the top right corner of your search bar. Then confirm your choice the same way. Lastly, select Done at the top right corner. If you still can't remove your widget, go into Devices Settings and click on Apps section. Now tap on App Management at the top. Search for Google App. Click on it and tap on First Stop between Open and Disable. Lastly, confirm your choice in this pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!